Hi, I'm Elizabeth, and today I want to show you how to make the floating V-stitch. For this tutorial, I will be using the elements from West Yorkshire Spinners. For this sample, I am using the color in Golden Sands. And today's tutorial, I will be using the cherry blossoms. And I'll show you the specs if you would like to know. And I will be using my 4mm crochet hook to match. Begin with the slip knot. The floating V-stitch is a multiple of 3 plus 3 for the base chain, and in this example I will be chaining 27 to begin with, then add 3 more. Now I have 27 chains. I'll add 3 more, that's a total of 30 chains. To begin with the first row, make a single crochet into the second chain from the hook. I will be using the back ridge of that chain and across. Chain 1, skip the next chain and make a single crochet into the next chain. Chain 3, skip the next 2 chains and make a single crochet into the next chain. Repeating the same, chain 3, skip the next 2 chains and make a single crochet into the next chain. Continue this way until you have 2 chains left. Now I have 2 chains left. Chain 1, skip the next chain and make a single crochet into the last chain. This should also match the beginning of the row. Now we're done with the first row. To start the second row, chain 3. This will be counted as our first double crochet. And then turn. Skip the first stitch and chain 1 space. Make a double crochet into the next stitch. Chain 1. Make another double crochet into the same stitch. This will be our V-stitch from this point forward. Now, skip the next chain 3 space and make a V-stitch into the next stitch. Skip the next chain 3 space and make a V-stitch into the next stitch. Continue this way until the last 2 stitches. From here, skip the next chain 1 space and make a double crochet into the last stitch. Now we're done with the second row. To continue with the third row, chain 1 and then turn. Make a single crochet into the first stitch. Chain 1. Make a single crochet into the chain 1 space between the next V-stitch. This time chain 3 and make a single crochet into the chain 1 space between the next V-stitch. Chain 3 and make a single crochet into the chain 1 space between the next V-stitch. Continue this way until the last V-stitch. To finish the row, chain 1 and make a single crochet into the third chain of the previous row. I like to take the top 2 loops of that chain. This is the third row and the last of the 2-row repeat. Since this is an inline stitch, to continue, repeat row 2 and row 3 for how many rows as you'd like. After a couple of rows, you will arrive the same as my sample gauge here. If you like to learn new stitches, you are welcome to join me here on my channel. Thank you for watching.